Welcome. Today we will speak about strength training. Strength training is an effective way to build muscle and improve muscle tone. If you're looking to get a toned and defined physique, incorporating strength training into your workout routine can help you achieve your goals.
It is important to understand that yielding results from strength training takes time and requires patience. Neurological adaptations occur first before muscle bulking. Muscle growth can take up to 6 to 12 weeks after commencement of strength training.
The American College of Sports Medicine devised progression models and resistance training for healthy adults. In this video, let us have a look at the summary of their position stand based on evidence-based guidelines. In resistance training, repetition maximum, RM, is the maximum number of repetitions an individual can perform of a given exercise with a specific weight or resistance. It is often used as a measure of an individual's muscular strength and endurance. For example, a 1 repetition maximum, 1 RM, is the maximum amount of weight an individual can lift for 1 repetition of a given exercise with good form and technique. Similarly, a 5 repetition maximum, 5 RM, is the maximum amount of weight an individual can lift for 5 repetitions of the same exercise with good form and technique. What are some of the suggested guidelines? 1. Free weights, exercise machines and/or bands can be used. 2. Perform 8 to 10 multi-joint exercises that stress the major muscle groups. 3. For strength training, it is recommended that novice to intermediate individuals train with loads corresponding to 60 to 70% of 1 RM, for 8 to 12 repetitions. And advanced individuals, cycle training loads of 80 to 100% of 1 RM to maximize muscular strength. 4. Perform 1 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions per exercise. 5. Rest period of 1 to 2 minutes between sets is sufficient. However, 2 to 3 minutes of rest between sets is recommended for core exercises using heavier loads. 6. Lift and lower the weight in a control manner, 2 seconds each up and down. 7. While sequencing exercises, perform large muscle group exercises before small muscle groups, multi-joint exercises before single-joint exercises, and high-intensity exercises before lower-intensity exercises. 8. Perform exercises 2 to 3 times per week. As a rule of thumb, for muscle strength, power and hypertrophy, focus on high-weight, low-repetition exercises, 8 to 12 reps per set, while for muscle tone and endurance the emphasis should be on low-weight, high-repetition exercises 10 to 15 repetitions per set.
In conclusion, resistance training depends on the development of appropriate and specific training goals and should be an individualized process using appropriate equipment, program design, and exercise techniques to ensure a safe and effective implementation. Thank you.